good evening. Right here, underneath the starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
Straight on till morning.
The ninth wonder of the universe! The world's only flying elephant! Dumbo!
Look! The flying! You're flying!
Wait till we get to the big town!
I have just met you, and I love you.
Dante, you are a real spirit guide. Who's a good spirit guy? You are! Whoa!
I want to learn the ways of the Force and become a Jedi like my father.
You've taken your first step into a larger world. That's no home. It's a space station.
All wings reporting.
Red 5 standing by.
Fire coming in point 3!
Watch that crossfire, boys.
Watch it, you've got one on your tail.
Come in, primary engine.
Use the Force. The Force is strong with them.
You're all clear, kid. Now let's pull this thing and go home.
The Force will be with you, always.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
Baymax, wings. Thrusters.
Flying makes me a better healthcare companion.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Dance off, bro.
Come on, Drax. Dance.
There are two types of beings in the universe. Those who dance and those who do not.
I'm gonna die surrounded by the biggest idiots in the galaxy. Did that look cool?
Yeah, that looked cool.
To infinity and beyond.
Where your stories find your spirit.
Remember, there's no limit to how far you can go when you have dreams that